Hello students, today we have seen 6th Science, chapter number 10, Force and Types of Forces. All questions and answer. Question number 1. Choose the term to fill in the blanks. First, A. Force has to be applied to change the direction of a moving object. B. When an elephant drags a wooden log over the land, the forces that are applied on the log are muscular force, gravitational force, and frictional force. C. A ball was set rolling on a large table. If its motion is to be changed, a force will have to be applied on it. D. The force of friction always acts against the motion. Question number 2. Match the following Group A and Group B. First, an ox pulling a cart. Answer is muscular force. Second, lifting a heavy iron object with a crane. Answer is magnetic force. Third, weighting with a spring balance. Answer is gravitational force. 4. Applying brakes to a bicycle. Answer is frictional force. Fifth, picking up pieces of paper with a plastic scale. Answer is electrostatic force. Question number 3. One or more forces are acting in the following examples. Name them. A. An object falling from a tall building. Answer is gravitational force. B. An aeroplane flying in the sky. Answer is mechanical force, muscular force, frictional force, and gravitational force. C. Squeezing sugarcane juice with a squeezer. Answer is mechanical force, muscular force, frictional force. D. Winnowing food grains. Answer is muscular force, gravitational force. Question number 4. Explain in your own words, giving one example each. First, muscular force. Answer. The bones and muscles of our body help us to perform movements. Muscular force is used to perform all these movements. The force applied with the help of muscles is called muscular force. Example, a man who pulls the handcart uses muscular force to perform the work. The coolie lifting the luggage uses muscular force. Second, gravitational force. Answer. Earth pulls all the objects towards it. This force is called gravitational force or gravity. Example, the rocket that takes off from the ground applies the mechanical force against the gravitational force. All the things on the earth stay on the earth due to gravitational force. Third, mechanical force. Answer. The force applied with the help of machines is called mechanical force. Some machines are used with the help of muscular force, while some machines work on electricity or fuel. These machines are automatic. Machines help us to carry out tasks with ease and speed. Fourth, electrostatic force. Answer. Electrostatic force is produced by the materials which develop static electricity on them. Example, due to electrically charged materials like ebonite, plastic, rubber, this force is produced. Fifth, the force of friction or frictional force. Answer. Frictional force is created by friction. Two surfaces rub against each other and produce frictional force. Example, the brakes used in stopping a running vehicle work on the frictional force. The footpaths and slopes of the walkways have rough surface to create more frictional force so that people do not slip and fall as they walk. 6. Magnetic force. Answer. The force exerted by a magnet is called magnetic force. Magnetic force is used in many gadgets such as doorbell, cranes that lift loads. Question number 5. Why? A. Machines are oiled from time to time. Answer. Machines are used to save our energy and time. The machines working on mechanical force should work efficiently. If they are not oil, the frictional force may be created between the surfaces of this machine. If frictional force is more, it will slow down the speed and efficiency of the machine. Therefore, machines are oiled from time to time. B. An object throw upwards comes down up after reaching a point. Answer is an object throw upwards goes up due to muscular force. At one point during its ascent, the muscular force becomes zero. The gravitational force then starts operating on this object. It pulls this object down. Thus, an object throw upwards comes down after reaching a point. C. Powder is sprinkled on a carom board. Answer is the coins on the carom board should move swiftly during play. If powder is not sprinkled on the surface of the carom board, there would be more frictional force. This will hinder the play. Therefore, to have a smooth carom board surface, powder is sprinkled on a carom board. D. The ramp at a railway station has a rough surface. Answer. There should be more frictional force created on the ramp of the railway station. If the surface is smooth and slippery, there will be no frictional force. People using ramp in a hurry will slip and fall down easily. In order to avoid this and keep people safe, the ramp at a railway station has a rough surface. Question number 6. In what way are we different? A. Muscular force and mechanical force. First, muscular force is created by our muscles, that is, in our body. Mechanical force is created by the machines. Second, muscular force is created due to the energy created by the food we eat. And mechanical force is created due to electricity or fuel. B. The force of friction and gravitational force. First, the force of friction is created between two rough surfaces. Gravitational force is created by the Earth's surface and it acts on every object present on the Earth. Second, the frictional force always acts against the direction of motion. The motion of an object goes on increasing with an increase in gravitational force. Third, the force of friction can be increased or decreased. The gravitational force cannot be increased or decreased. Question number 7. Write answers to the following questions in your own words. A. What are the things that can be done by applying force? Answer. Force can be applied to almost all things: lifting, pulling, riding a bicycle, pushing a load, squeezing or bending something, driving vehicles, using different machines, and almost all the day-to-day activities are done by applying force. B. What is meant by weight? Answer. The gravitational force acting on an object is called the weight of that object. C. Which machines run on muscular force? Answer. Handcart, plough, oars of boat, bullock, cart, horse carriage, bicycle, grinding stone, etc. are the machines that run on muscular force. Question number 8. Solve the following crossword puzzle. Down. First, dash dash force is to be applied to push a scooter that has failed. Answer is muscular. Second, dash dash force can be used to pick up scattered pins. Answer is magnetic. Across. First, a dash dash pulls an iron nail towards itself. Answer is magnet. Third, dash dash force was used when the farm was plowed with a tractor. Answer is mechanical. Fourth, it is due to the force of dash dash that raindrops fall to the ground. Answer is gravity. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.